ਉਹ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਲਾਹੌਰ ਦੀਆਂ ਜਿਸ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਨਾਲ ਹੱਸਦੀਆਂ ਉਹ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੀਆਂ ਜਿਸ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਨਾਲ ਤੱਕਦੀਆਂ ਉਹ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਲਾਹੌਰ ਦੀ
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another video that is going to be a makeup tutorial on this look right here. I have created a brown silver halo eyes with the glitter and a pop of glitter on the inner corner of my eyes to brighten up the look. I've completed this look using orange matte lipstick. So the best thing about this look is the glitters that I've used today. I have used a non-brand palette that I got from an online page from Facebook. You must have seen the glitter palettes on the online pages on Facebook which are non-brand, and they have 12 or 15 or many shades in a palette of glitter, but you would never dare to buy that because you don't know what it is. Really, even I thought the same way, that the non-brand palettes doesn't work. But few days back I was scrolling my Facebook and I come across this palette, and it was so appealing, so attractive, that I went and ordered this palette. And when I got it, I also posted on my Snapchat how much I loved that palette. It was so amazing, the glitters, their pigmentation, their color. And let me just show you the palette so that you can understand what I'm talking about. This is the Glitter Glam palette. It's a non-brand palette, and these are the beautiful shades. Check out the colors, it's so beautiful. The colors are so amazing, so pigmented. I have used it in my look. As you can see, the silver, the white shade I have applied. This one is the white shade from the palette, and it has all some green glitter, so it gives a very 3D effect to the glitter, and I absolutely love them. The only drawback of this is that the application can get a bit messy. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to apply these kind of glitters without getting any mess on your face. So hope you find this video helpful. I know so many of you cannot afford these high-end products for glitters, and I'm mentioning this palette so much because it's affordable, it's pigmented, and it has so many colors that it will match every look of your makeup or every outfit, every event. If you want to know to apply these glitters and how did I created this look, keep on watching. So I've already primed my eyes using MAC Paint Pot. For my transition color, I'm taking this Jaclyn Hill palette, this shade right here, and applying it over my crease, blending it in circular motions and back and forth, dragging it a little bit outside of the eye. This palette is really amazing. The shades are so blendable. They blend really well and very easily, like very effortless. I'm blending this into my crease in back and forth motion like this. I'm taking this Real Techniques precision brush and these two shades, applying it over my eyelid, the outer corner, applying it all over my eyelid, just leaving the center for my glitter. And now I'm blending out both the eyelid and crease shadow. Make sure there is no harsh line. I'm using very little pressure. After applying all over the eyelid, dragging it toward my lower lash line, also coloring my waterline with this round shadow. For my brow bone, I'm taking this highlighting shade from the palette On The Glow by Ofra. And now with the blending brush with no product on, I'm going to blend out everything. The highlighter, the transition shade, I'm doing everything with very less pressure. Also underneath my eyes. So as I told you, for my glitter, I'm going to use this Glitter and Glam palette. You can apply it with your finger as it is, but I want to lock this glitter where I apply it, so I'm using a glitter glue to apply this. First I'm applying the glue on the eyelid from the palette, taking this silver shade, tapping it where I've applied the glue, and you can see the pigmentation of this glitter. Make sure you don't open your eye when you apply it. Let the glue and the glitter dry on your eye. By the time it's drying, I'm just applying the glitter glue on the inner corner of my eye. I'm applying this white shade here on the inner corner. It has a green sparkle in it, which looks really beautiful. Going back to this brown shade, brown and burgundy shade, I've applied to my eyelid. I'm gonna blend this harsh line of glitter, and now blending everything. I'm using NYX liquid liner. This is the lash that I'm gonna apply today. It's a non-brand eyelash, and available on so many online pages. But these are really good. I'm going to name in the page and details everything in the description box in case you want to know. Again, applying the liner to hide the eyelash wand. For my lower lash line, I'm taking a little bit of a glitter glue again, applying it at the center of my lower lash line, and taking that silver glitter again, adding it over my glue. For the upper and lower waterline, you can use any black pencil, kohl pencil, kajal pencil, anything. Today I'm using this Hashmi kajal. Now applying my Milani mascara on my upper and lower lashes. So eyes are done now. To start my face, I'm removing my makeup with a makeup removing wipe. Now I'm using MAC Strobe cream to moisturize my face, applying it with my finger and massaging it into my skin. For primer, I'm using Makeup Forever Step 1 Nourishing Primer and applying it on the T-zone area of my face and massaging it also. Foundation, I'm using Wet n Wild foundation in the shades Soft Beige and Desert Beige, mixing the both together and applying it with the fingers and blending out with the damp beauty blender. Tried the foundation for the first time and it turned out really amazing and flawless. LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Light Ivory to highlight my face. Applying it with the finger underneath my eye, bridge of my nose, forehead and my cupid bow. Again blending out with the damp beauty blender. Now to set my foundation and concealer, I'm using MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Powder in the shade Medium. Dabbing the powder with the help of a puff all over my face to lock the foundation. After applying the powder with a big fluffy brush, swiping away all the excess powder on my face. Now to contour, I'm using Kat Von D contour palette. Contour my cheeks and starting from the hairline and then dragging it underneath my eyes and then blending it. Applying a little bit on my forehead and also on my jawline. To contour my nose, I'm using this Morphe angled brush and contouring my nose, also enhancing my features, adding a little bit on the cupid bow and underneath my lips. For blush, taking Sigma Cheeky Blush Powder and blowing out the excess on the brush, applying it on the apples of my cheek and then blending it till my hairline. Taking the champagne highlighter from the Ofra highlighter palette and applying it. Whoa, this highlighter is so amazing, so pigmented. It just makes you glow so much. So I've applied it on all the high points of my face. For lips, I'm using Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color by MAC in the shade Rich and Restless and mixing it with Sleek Matte Me Lip Cream in shade Apricot Blooms. Again taking a big fluffy brush and blending out everything on my face. Now applying my MAC Fix Plus setting spray to lock out everything. on my face.
ਜਿਸ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਨਾਲ ਹੱਸਦੀ ਆ ਕੁੜੀ ਦਾ ਪਤਾ ਕਰੋ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਪਿੰਡ ਦੀ ਆ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਸ਼ਹਿਰ ਦੀ।
Welcome back, girls. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please hit a thumbs up down below and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Snapchat. Until my next video, this is Shafaq signing off. Bye bye.
ਉਹ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਲਾਹੌਰ ਦੀ ਆ